Hi guys, this is another video of Eat With Me. Today I have crackers with mayonnaise mixed with mackerel. And this cracker is cinnamon Jamaican cracker. Then I have a sandwich, which is like the same thing. Mayo mixed with mackerel. Yum, yum, yum. Three, two, one. Let's go. Mmm. Mmm. Mhm. Mhm.
minute. Every time I touch the X button, this I come out.
That's eraser. You're erasing it.
That's eraser.
Mm-hmm.
So why you want erase then? Come here, want to put. Okay. Let's see now. But me no want to show up here. If me no want to show what me do, it keep on come with the X when me fi X out something.
I know it comes with it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, man, time is up. Wait, is it? Oh, 5:21. Okay, good. Mm, okay. I have two more. 1:15. I'm gonna stop there. Okay. Okay, hey you guys. This is another part where I talk about my spiritual journey. Where I learned today that God was fighting for me. And in a way of I remember feeling all the time that I was trying to like get to God, but I just couldn't because demonic spirits would like torture the crap out of me. And I would have like the worst nightmares and things of that nature. It was just horrible. And right now I'm not having it. But I remember I remember when I was having those type of dreams and I was like, where is God in all of this? It was very frustrating. And I remember reading about how the Israelites was lawfully a slave to the Egyptians. And the Israelites were like God's people, right? The Egyptians didn't want to let the Israelites go because they want them as a slave for life. They were useful to them. It helped them a lot. And then God the Father, the creator of heavens and earth, said, let my people go so that they can worship me. The Egyptians, they were like, no. So what God the Father did was that he bring curses on them, on the Egyptians, so that the Egyptians are forced to let them go. And when the Egyptians let them go, guess what? They came back to them, running after them. Stop right there. You're not going away from me. You're not leaving me. And then the Israelites cross over or divided sea, and the Egyptians, they were, chasing after them. And then they got in the open, like between the seas and stuff, between the waters and stuff. And then when the Israelites that got out from between the waters, they were only the Egyptians. And then God, the Father, closed up the ocean so that they can drown. And that was just it. I was in the same position. Like there was like people, the Egyptians, the spiritual Egyptians on my case didn't want to let me go. They were like, no. And then God, the Father, I didn't even know what it was like, let my people go, that she let her go so she can worship me. It was just, it's so amazing. God was like in the scene working things out. I didn't know about it, but he was working things out for me. It was just that type of revelation that makes me just appreciate, I don't know. It's just like, oh my gosh, I didn't know about this. I thought like he left me from this. I thought he left me, but he didn't. He was working for me. So make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment. How's your uh fasting going on, or if you're going to go on a fast one day? I don't know. So comment below, share this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.